Students, the topic which we will do today is ordinary people and the crimes against humanity. How did the common people react to Nazism? This is a question here. How the common people, those who all were living in Germany, how they react? How did they react to Nazism? Many saw the world through Nazi eyes and spoke their mind in Nazi language. So many of the people of Germany, they see the world through the eyes of Nazis. That means the way Nazis they look the world, they are also saw the word. They also saw the word through the same way, in the same way, and spoke their mind in Nazi language. And they spoke whatsoever is fed in their mind, and they are speaking the language of Nazis only. They felt hatred and anger surge inside them when they saw someone who looked like a Jewish. So the common people, they also felt hatred and anger against Jewish whenever they look someone who looked like a Jewish. They marked the houses of Jewish and reported suspicious neighbor. So the common people, what they did, if anybody is living in the nearby area, they mark their houses. If the person is Jewish, they mark their houses and they reported suspicious neighbor. If they have doubt on any neighbor, so they reported about that neighbor to Nazi government. They genuinely believed Nazism would bring prosperity and improve general well-being. Why they were doing so? Because they genuinely believed that Nazism would bring prosperity and improve the general well-being of the people. But not every German was a Nazi. But it is not like that. Every German was thinking in the same way. So every German was not the supporter of Nazi. Many of the German people, they organized active resistance against Nazism and who bravely resist police repression and deaths. Repression means, it's a noun. Repression means a state of forcible subjugate. Subjugate means to control by others. So when police, they try to control these active resistance for opposing Nazism, so they bravely oppose them. The large majority of Germans, however, were passive onlooker and apathetic witnesses. But the majority of the Germans, they were very passive. They were not active resistance. They are not doing anything against Nazi Germany. They were just onlooker, passive onlooker. They just stand and have a look on these things. They just stand and they were onlooker. They do not take any action against those things. And they were too scared to act, to differ, or to protest. And why they were saying that they were just only a spectator? Because they were scared. If they act something or they do something against Nazi Germany or to protest against, so they would be punished by Nazi government. So they prefer to look away. So one resistance fighter was Pastor Niemöller. He was against Nazi Germany, and he observed the absence of protest and uncanny silence amongst ordinary Germans to the face of brutal and organized crimes committed against people. So Pastor Niemöller, he was a fighter against Nazi Germany, Nazi government, and he observed that nobody is ready to protest and uncanny silence. Uncanny silence means a weird silence is there in Germany, and the ordinary citizens, the whatsoever crime is done against ordinary German citizens, the people, they are not ready to do protest for opposing that kind of crime in the Nazi Empire. So he wrote movingly about this silence.